Here's how you sign student. Okay, it's a combination of signs. We're going to have learn and we're going to have person. So together, learn person is student. So first for learn, with your non-dominant hand, make this hand shape, put a platform down there. Now I'm right-handed. I'm going to use the tips of my fingers, pretend like there's dust or sand or something, and you're trying to pick some up. All the tips of your fingers come together. Now just put it in your brain, all right? Learn. Learn. From the side, learn. Other side, learn. Okay, so we have learn. That's the first part. Remember, student is learn, person, all right? So this is the sign for person. Person. The hand shapes are the same, like this. Now we're just going to make the sides of a box. Start up a little bit and just drop straight down. All right, that is person. It also works like the agent, the person who's doing the action, right? Person. Okay, from the side, person. From the other side, person. Okay, so let's put it together. Remember, student is learn, person. In other words, student. Okay, so let's do it a few times. Sign with me. We're going to start from the rest position and do it 3 times. Here we go. Student. 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 Okay, so quick review. Remember, student actually is the combination of the signs learn and person. Now, you don't have to pause in the middle. Just do one and then do the other. All right? Student. Student. Okay, from the side, student. From the other side, student. All right, you see how the 2 signs just kind of flow into one? All right, how it would be more awkward if I stopped here and then did it, right? So do it all together and then we have student, literally learn person. Okay, good, good. We just talked about how to sign student. Here's how we sign teacher. Okay, it's 2-part sign. We have teach and we have person. So together we have teach person, in other words, teacher. So the first part, teach. Well, first we're going to use the hand shapes like O's that are squished down just a little bit, not flattened, but down a little bit. We're going to take those, we're going to put them here so they're a few inches in front of our forehead, and then we just go straight out. Teach. Teach. From the side, teach. From the other side, teach. Teach. So remember, teacher is teach person. So we have teach, and now we need person. Now when we make person, this, we're just going to use these hand shapes. Pretend you're grabbing the sides of a box, start up a little bit, and drop straight down. So, person. Person. So all together we have teach, person. In other words, teacher. From the side, teacher. Other side, teacher. From the front again, teacher. All right, there's no space in between. It's just fluid motion. Make the complete sign, drop down. Teacher. Okay, let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Teacher. 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 Okay, once again, the first part of the sign is teach. The second part of the sign is which is the person, right? So teacher, person. So when we do teach, use the signs for O, like in the alphabet, O. Now squish them down just a little bit, put them about here, and go straight out. We have teach. Now we add that to person. Person. So we have teach, person, which becomes teacher. Okay, so all together, we learned how to sign teacher.